How to fix I can't comment on Facebook posts. Hey there. Welcome back to the channel. Ever tried commenting on a Facebook post only to get hit with the message, "You can't comment right now"? Don't stress. You're not the only one. Today, I'm breaking down the most common reasons this happens and how to fix it fast. Let's get into it. 1. Facebook comment block, temporary ban. Sometimes Facebook restricts your ability to comment if you violated their community guidelines, even accidentally. Fix. Avoid posting
इसके
anything that
अलावा
seems
यहाँ पे हाइकिंग
spammy,
पॉइंट्स भी बहुत
aggressive,
जबरदस्त
or
हैं।
against
Oh
guidelines.
my God!
If restricted, wait it
अल्लाह
out,
मियां ने
usually
बर्फ की
24 to
बारिश कर दी
48
ऐसे लग रहा है
hours.
कुछ हो रहा है ये
2.
देखिए।
Comments
अलाउद्दीन
disabled by the
अय्यूबी उठ
poster.
कमर से
If the original poster has turned off comments, you won't be able to reply, even if everything else is fine. Fix. Look for a grayed out comment icon or a message like, "Comments are turned off." If it's your post, tap the 3 dots, go to Edit Privacy, and enable comments. 3. Weak internet connection. A poor or unstable internet connection can stop your comments from being posted. Fix. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try enabling airplane mode for 10 seconds and turning it off. Restart your router if you're at home. 4. Facebook app glitches. Sometimes the app just needs a quick refresh. Fix. Fully close and reopen the Facebook app. Go to Settings, Apps, Facebook, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Check the Play Store or App Store for any available updates. 5. Account flagged by Facebook. If Facebook suspects suspicious activity, it may limit your interactions, including commenting. Fix. Go to Settings and Privacy, Settings, Account Status to check for violations. If needed, follow the steps to appeal any restrictions. Bonus tip. Try another device or browser. If you're still stuck, try logging in from a different phone, browser, or even use Facebook Lite. Some issues are device-specific, and this simple switch can do the trick. That's a wrap. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, if you can now, and hit that subscribe button for more quick tech fixes.